The Blizzard Cup.
Woohoo, the Blizzard Cup. We're at Henderson course today by UVEC. Yeah, let's see how this goes. Oh. Oh, A off the tree though. All right.
Go get it out.
Oopsie. First one's always the worst.
Goodness.
What?
Nothing.
Fuck.
You just gotta go. I don't think you can practice.
I can't either.
Oh, it's gonna work. It's gonna run up.
I needed it. I just needed it out of the
So, babe, come. Watch out, eh? Not enough moss. All right, go ahead, hon. You sure did.
Yeah. Man, if you hadn't hit that little branch, that would have been on the green. That was a beautiful shot. Wow. That was a beautiful shot. For a minute there, I thought
Coming to the pro, hey?
Oh, babe,
There
nice
it
job.
is. Oh,
That counts, right?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. I think that was 5.
Nice. I got
Whatever.
4.
At least I got.
Oh, beautiful, hon.
Thank you.
Look at that. Right in the middle of the fairway.
But it felt nice.
Yeah, it was right in the middle of the fairway.
Oh.
Not trying to moss it with the time. Oh, rolled off.
That's okay. I just gotta keep going.
All right, in the fairway, Tessa Rempel. Using her pitching wedge. It's a lovely, lovely chip. It's up on the green, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm getting happier with my pitching wedge. I was very frustrated the last couple courses with it, so I'm feeling good. Beautiful. Oh, very well done. Yeah, on the thing. That's what I'm trying to do.
Oh no, like kind of close to it.
Like that.
Yeah, something that's always in most pieces.
Okay.
I would be actually more like that. That's a lempo. Oh. Ooh, unlucky, honey.
Very.
Go ahead.
Okay, I'm at 3 so far.
This is 4.
For 4. Fuck me. For 5. L. I find that this
Par.
I'm not hitting.
Two holes in. Ted's thoughts. She is back-to-back 5s, but as normal, the iron game is pretty strong here today. It's the putting. What do you gotta say? What do you gotta do moving forward here?
Well, I think I just need to actually hit it a little bit harder because I think the grass is a little longer than at the ridge.
Oh.
But I don't know. Just I'm hitting my irons good, and I'm happy with that. And I'm just gonna try and practice, do the best I can on my putting. If I can get 5s all around, I'm okay.
The blizzard?
If I lose the blizzard, that's okay.
All right, here we are, hole 3.
All right, Kevin Jacobson, hole 3. Oh, look at that practice swing.
Oh, fuck.
Ah!
The baby swing. Oh. All right.
Wasn't your best, but still work. Still
Fairway.
Still doable.
Here she is. Oh, she's coming to join her boyfriend. She actually. Oh, I still hit. I still hit it farther.
Yeah, literally by a little bit.
That's all that matters. Oh, a little deep.
A little deep.
Yeah, a little deep and a little left. But
That's okay.
That's awesome.
I'm still happy with that.
Oh. I stuffed that.
L, how did that happen?
I don't know.
Oh.
I hit it like here.
Oh.
Oh, well.
Hole 3 got both of us. There. Beauty.
That's all about the bounce back. Nice try, huh? I finished that off bogues.
Bogey.
Here it is. Oh, tough one.
For 5. Like always. Very well. Oh man, so close.
To the pro.
Very well done.
You're down by 3.
Oh, I'm down by 3.
Yeah. 3 in.
I need to get better at my putting.
There it is. Getting it putting. Anything else you want to say?
No, I'm happy with all my other stuff. It's just the putting that I'm not very good at.
All right. Watch the tape.
There. Well, much better.
Oh, check that out. Easy. All right, here you go, hon. You better than me.
Here we go.
Nice.
Thank you. All right. I felt good about
Did
that
my
one.
ball actually just bounce right there? Off
what?
the trees. Look.
I can see that,
Yeah.
but I'm very confused.
Yeah, me too. Or someone threw it
Because
over.
I swear, maybe someone threw it over, because I swear it went way over there.
Yeah. So I got a 4. Holy God.
Whoop!
Oh,
Just off on the other side there.
some are good, some are bad.
Oh, we're good. It looks so cool, all the cotton.
I know, it's just falling. All right. You're up.
Oh, that sucked.
Chase it down. Yeah, look. I don't know if you can see it in the video, but we'll see. All right, let's get those putters out.
Good enough for me.
And Cottonwood corner.
Yeah, now we know why they call it.
Covered in the cottonwoods, making it a little difficult to breathe in the visibility.
Yeah.
What do you think, Tess? I'll limp the cottonwoods.
We're in a blizzard out here.
All right.
my gosh.
Do you want me to go first, or do you want
Yeah,
to
you
go
can
first?
go first.
Okay. enough. All right, Tessa, you're up. All right, finish that off, honey.
For 5.
She is nothing but if consistent, ladies and gentlemen.
5s, 5s, 5s.
Jesus. So Remble, your thoughts? Still down by 3 after 4. You did a good job tying that hole.
I did.
Staying
I just, I think, I'm not shooting as far as I'd like with my pitching wedge, but I think I'm going to shoot too far with my 9, so I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do. And there's so much cotton falling from the sky.
All right, here we are. Full 5.
Here we are.
Got 5s in that one?
I think so, yeah. I've got those in 5. Oh, there's another freaking squirrel right there, babe. He looks fat. He looks hurt. Is he missing a leg?
Crab apple delight.
Crab apple was nice. I'm not paying attention. I was distracted by the squirrel.
Of course you were.
Well, that and then there was the worm on my.
Ah, you me too deep.
Look at him.
All right, go ahead.
Just munching around. I think he's hurt. Still doable.
It'll be puttable.
Yeah.
Not puttable, chippable.
Chippable, yeah, we'll chip it. All right, Kevin Jacobson. Time for your interview piece.
Finally, eh? High five.
Oh.
You know, cottonwoods are falling. It's beautiful, and I think for me, my putting's actually pretty good today.
Yeah, you're doing very well.
I'm just having trouble getting the distance right on the old pitch today. I'm hitting it well, but it's too short or it's too long, and
A new course for both, well, not both of us, but you know.
I've only played this one once.
Yeah, exactly. I think we're both doing great.
All
And
right.
we're having fun, and it's sunny. Woo!
Here we are coming up. That's a shot. Up next. Here we are, just trying to find the green. Oh, all right. Redo.
Whoopsies!
All right, she's gonna worm roll it in. Oh, not bad.
Poo.
Right, right.
All right. Nice smooth chip right on. Oh man, there is so much cotton on that bad boy. Ooh. Ah, these
Keep it rolling. Keep it rolling.
just gonna. Whoop. Beauty.
We do it.
It is. All right. Gosh, poor Kevin's gonna look through all of these. Poor videoing by Tessa.
What are you saying?
Nothing. No, I'm putting it. But like, I'm bringing it back over there and putting it from there. Nice job. Is that the car?
No, unfortunately. Grass with a putter. It was a better putt than any of her previous chips.
Yeah, my pitches were not good.
All right, here she is.
Woo! For 4!
Oh!
Hey,
Tessa Rempel.
Hey, so look back at me.
Oh, the spike on the green.
Yeah.
That's kind of dirty.
Yeah, I think that wasn't very nice.
That's not very good golf etiquette.
But you know what? There's no one behind us. And I had to show you I know how to do a spike now.
Well, you kind of just dropped it. That wasn't really
Well,
a
I know.
spike.
It didn't really bounce back, but... You're up.
I'm not.
Oh, I'll stand out. Get my big booty out of the way.
Not as hard.
Not as light and easy. Oh, I missed it. Oh, whoopsies. How did that happen?
I did the same thing as you on the other side.
So good though. I'm happy with that.
All right, Tessa Rempel. Your thoughts. Down 3, 4 to go.
I'm happy that I got 4 on my last hole, and I'm still feeling good. Down 3, that's like I can come back.
Yeah, that's not bad at all.
Yeah, you know, I got my wiggle room of 7, so I'm feeling okay still.
All right, where is your ball? Oh, I see it. We're coming up next.
I see it too.
Tessa's second shot.
So close.
You went pretty good. Oh no, I'm bringing it back. I pitched it onto the green again like I shouldn't have. Well, the camera's still over there because I did it again. I'll just leave it there.
I'm gonna be for fucking 5 or 6 this time. I should have just left it where it was. And
Didn't see you there. Just scouting my next shot.
yeah, I just scout your next shot.
It's a difficult one.
It is a little difficult.
Oh.
Oh, you're gonna be over there with me.
Whoa.
What's going on?
I don't know.
I think Kevin's gonna have to pay for the blizzards. Har 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 har.
All right.
I think this is gonna be for 6.
6.
It's because I shouldn't have pitched it when it was literally right there. I should have just freaking putted it on. But I wanted to try pitching it because I'm dumb. Let's just pray that Kevin fucks up too.
Settle.
Oh, he's not gonna fuck up. Oof.
All right.
What are your thoughts?
I'm still beating you.
Whatever, I'll just pitch it from there.
Well, yeah.
Yeah. Pardon? There we go.
All right. Little action cam on some missed strokes here. Kev is looking for a ball. Tess is looking for a ball. Could happen to anyone out here, really. Where are you, hun?
I'm in the bush. I don't think I'm gonna find it.
I think you should just give up. It's a ball.
Yeah, I'll just give up.
Here she comes. Where are you?
I'm coming out. I couldn't find it. Oh, look at the mountains.
Tessa sees the mountains.
Yeah.
Whoa!
Oh, yes, babe.
The golfer from the next box over yells, nice shot.
Yeah. Thank you, thank you.
That was awesome.
That was. I know that's what you are. You got this. Oh, beautiful. Oh, little. Still very nice.
All right, let's go put these to par.
Let's go.
The lady for par. Oh, so close. Finish it off.
Man.
Didn't touch the pole.
I know it didn't touch the pole. Oh, fuck me. For 5.
Oh.
Oh my god, that doesn't count, babe. That was the wind. Not for 6.
Oh.
That can't be for 6. That's not fair.
Oh.
Man, it was gonna be for par.
Was.
If we're gonna do that, I think I'm only gonna I'm gonna put my bag. Oh, I think I'm gonna put my bag away because all I'm using is my pitching wench and my. Oh, fuck you.
Baby.
All I'm using my pitching wench and my. Oh. Oof.
Shot's nice. Like I said, I cannot get the depth down on these like 60 to 70 yarders. Whoa, nice shot, hon.
Thanks. A little bit.
A little short, but yeah, it's gonna better than me.
It'll be a good pitch, I think.
Tessa Rempel, hole 8, down 7. You got no more wiggle room like you had mentioned.
No more wiggle room because
What do
I
you gotta
fucked up
do?
on that putt on the last hole.
Yeah, what do you got to do to walk out of here with a free blizzard?
I just need to, I don't know, do better at my putting, which I know is not going to do good, so I need to at least try and get on the green.
All right.
Maybe I'll try and use my 9 on the next hole and see how that does.
All right, there we go.
Yeah.
All right, here she is.
Here I am.
Shot coming up next. Oh,
just
knuckle
loved it.
puck. Come play with me.
I'm good.
Jacob's in a tough spot here. He doesn't want to take the OB. Not a bad play. Go Tessa Rempel. Look at that. Jacobson.
I don't like how these things are all like right. It's so.
Basically in a sand trap.
Yeah, I don't like the.
Like the what, huh?
Putts are like very like. It's so hilly and everything.
Oh my god.
Ooh, a little bit of a rocket there. I might be getting my lead back.
What do you mean? We're at the same stroke. Go ahead, hon.
Huh?
Go ahead.
I'm just gonna get fucking up there. Okay, I think I'm either at 5 or 6. Ooh, very well.
Get up the hill.
Oh my god! It bulleted out! What the fuck? I don't even know what I'm at now. 7? I don't give a fuck anymore.
Yeah, this is a 5.
How many? I don't know if I'm gonna want to do another round.
Why not?
I don't know.
You got 7?
I don't fucking know what I got. Went to there. 1
6.
or 1 to 2. Oh yeah, I knew it was, I fucking stepped my foot for some reason. Can I go back? I'm gonna go fucking find that.
Want to wait for me to shoot first? Tessa Rempel, thoughts, last hole, down 8.
I'm probably gonna have to chase the blizzards.
I've shanked pretty hard.
You did.
You each gotta win by 1 stroke. There's my ball right there.
I know that's gonna happen. I'm gonna try and figure out where the other ball went.
Oh my god, really?
No. But I'm gonna look, and if I spot it, I'm gonna go get it.
Here's me. Camera girl.
Camera girl. Coming in underneath for Kev's shot. Oh baby. Hold on, let me get it. Yeah. It's nice and cool under here. Did it look good?
Oh my god, it bounced out, hit the pin.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah, but then it fucking rolled off. Tessa Rempel following, almost smoking old ladies, but we're back. Nice chip here. I'm gonna tap in for par, and she's got Kevin Jameson on the ropes.
Oh, bullet.
It's gonna slow down, it's gonna stick on the green. Or it's puttable at the very
come
least.
up, I'll putt it on the other end. All right, Kevin Jacobson. After how many did you do?
This is for par.
How many balls?
We're not
How many balls did you shoot there, though, Mister?
3 or 4.
The wind's picking up now.
Oh.
Kevin Jacobson falling apart these last couple holes. is nice. Onto the green. Pass that to you. You could tripod it up.
Bush League. All right, finish it off, hon. What are you putting for?
I think that was 3, so this will be 4.
All right, if you get this, you don't have to pay for blizzards.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, don't put that pressure on me.
Cool.
I knew it.
All right, finish it off.
Woo! I have to pay for blizzards.
No. If I hit this one, you have to pay for blizzards. If I miss, we'll be tied.
Oh, okay.
Because I'm shooting for 5.
Then we have to play the tie round.
Shooting for 5. This is for the blizzard.
Oh, I don't have to pay. I don't have to pay.
All right, Tessa, Rebel thoughts. You narrowly escaped with a 7.
Hey man, you know what? I did what I did, and I don't have to pay for the blizzards. Well, we'll see on our next round.
After a quick review here in the car, the score actually indicates that Kevin Jameson won by 8 strokes, so Tessa Rempel.
I gotta buy that Goop some ice cream.
I'm the Blizzard Cup champion. Updates to come with my Blizzard. I'm gonna do something crazy.
Whoa! Look at this cool blue car that's coming around.
And a cool blue car.
I didn't know you were still filming. That little MG. There it is.
There it goes. All right, closing thoughts as we leave the course.
I'm sweaty. My arm is sore. I feel like I played okay. It was definitely a different course than the ridge that we usually do, but I felt good.
Less wide open.
Yeah, like a lot more kind of like narrow where you're shooting. But you know, I think I did okay. I lost a lot more balls than I thought I was going to, so I'm a little upset about that. But yeah, I did okay. I feel okay.
You know, from my point of view, I won. I'm happy about that. I had some good strokes out there. The big thing for me was my depth perception was off, so we will get back at it another time here. Smiling up.
In the little video we
All right. I went with brownie batter because it's limited edition here. Tessa with
mint Oreo.
oh god,
It's stuck in my mouth already. Whoop, whoop. Whoa!
Ball again. Basketball.
How did that happen?
I don't know if I do.
Well, I keep touching my teeth too, right? Like when they're so clean after the dentist. Sorry.
This one is U drive.
U drive?